refurbishing the eye wash.
Hasn't been done in a while.
Huh?
Hadn't been done in a while,
Hasn't been done in a while.
right?
Hasn't been used in a while, but
Yeah.
like not having it.
Right?
You fill it with water to the line, and then you add this.
Right. And where do we order this from?
Oh, I don't know. It's you.
Amazon.
Amazon?
Amazon.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, Jeff Bezos. You take it and you pour the whole thing in.
What does that do?
Decontaminates it, purifies it.
Yeah, basically, right? Sterilizes the water so you can be used as for your eyes, right? So in case of an emergency, and this is for the booth. So we have this hung up in the booth next to, in the booth.
Kind of give it a little bit of a shake.
Yeah. So we also installed this eye wash emergency station flag here, so it's clearly flagged in the room, and this is where that bin gets hung, and I will help Graham get it up there. And there is our 2-second improvement, making our workstations efficient and ready in case of emergency. Thank you, Graham.